Hi boys and girls. Today we will learn two-letter words. What are we waiting for? Let's roll on. A-M, M. A-S, N. A-S, S. A-T, at. B-E, B. B-Y, by. D-O, do. G-O, go. H-E, E. I-S, is. I-N, in. I-F, if. I-T, it. F-E, me. M-Y, my. N-O, no. O-F, off. O-N, on. T-O, to. O-R, or. S-O, so. U-P, up. U-S, us. W-E, we. Hope you like our video. Subscribe to eLearning TV and hit the like button. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.